Hello everyone, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. I am about to announce the winner of the Atom Plus Ultralight backpack, so let's go! Welcome back everybody, thank you all so much for entering into this giveaway, for subscribing and all your amazing comments. It's been an epic week for sure. What I'm going to do is to do this all in one take so that you know that it's all completely fair. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I'm doing on screen, and then I'll pick the winner out. So let's just crack on with this now. So I'm just going to turn the camera around, show my screen to myself so I can see what I'm doing. I'm now going to get the URL of the giveaway video, which is there, and I'm going to paste it into this field here, which is to get the comments. And then there are a total of 381 comments, and now all we've got left to do is click this start button and it will reveal the winner. So good luck everyone, thank you very much, let's just go. So here we go, who's the winner going to be? And the winner is Jackie Cowie. Thank you so much for entering. Congratulations. The Atom Plus is yours. Let me just turn this around so I can see my own face. There we go. So yeah, if you could email me, Jackie, at hello@thetrailhunter.com, and I'll get back to you, send you all the details. We'll get in touch with Tom, and the Atom Pack will be sent straight to you. Thank you everyone for entering into the competition. As I said, it's been an insane week. Be sure to stick around because there are going to be even more giveaways just like this with amazing prizes in the future. Also, I'll be giving way more tips and inspiration for hiking around the world. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.